Welcome to the Snake Pit.
What's up, YouTube? What's in the box? What's in the box? It says fragile. So I removed any addresses from the person that sent this to me. This is sent to me from eltenda Fabrizio. Go check him out. Just a random package he sent my way. So let's see what's inside of here. It's a little bit of a mystery. I know he mentioned one item, and I was like, sweet. Let's see what else he sent in here. It's a pretty big box. Oh my goodness, dude. What? Oh wow. Okay. Let's get it unboxed here and we'll look at what he sent over. Yes. Dude. We got Pops. We got Hotwheels. Dude. No love letter. Okay. What in the heck, man? Mucho awesomeness. Okay. Okay, so this is what I knew about. So if you don't know Fabrizio, he collects the Hot Wheels, the Pops. He's into various things like that. Big kid just like me. I love me some Hot Wheels, and he asked the other day randomly, do I have the street wiener Hot Wheel car? I was like, no I don't. Here, let's zoom in on it. He's like, I'm gonna send you one. Because I haven't even seen these. So it's a hot dog on wheels. There's a grill in the back and a spatula for the front bumper. That's freaking cool. Yeah, it's the little things in life. Awesome, thank you. And apparently he took the opportunity to send me some extra goodies. 55 Chevy, that's a cool one right there. And what else we got here? Head starter. Okay. This is the Toon series. I kind of like these. I like these Toon series. So it's kind of almost cartoony. So they're usually kind of smashed up and made into more of a cartoony type thing. So there's a head starter. Alright, let's get into these Pops. So he knows I like me some Punisher comic stuff. And looks like he sent me some Punisher Pops. Alright, here's the Punisher from the Daredevil series that's on Netflix. Freaking love that series. So, there's Daredevil, Elektra, Punisher on the back. So I'm hoping, I can't wait to see the Punisher series on Netflix. It's going to be awesome. He was basically in the last season that came out for Daredevil. And pretty much almost stole the show, I think. Very cool. And it's a bobblehead. And what is this? Walgreens exclusive Punisher Thunderbolts. And he's got the red Punisher skull on the front. Very cool. Very cool. Couple of guns here. I like this one. Let's open this one up because he's going to get displayed outside of the package, outside the box. Zoom in on this. Nice. I like the Punisher skull on the front there, the painted look to it. Got him a little AR-15 action going. Trench coat action. Bobblehead. Very cool. Very cool. Thank you very much. Alright. If you haven't checked out eltenda Fabrizio's channel, go check him out. Tell him the real Cobra Burnout sent you. Boom!